this map, can anyone guess what disease shown in red is affecting half of the world's population? This is what malaria disease is capable of. Every year, malaria causes around 200 million infections, and majority are in children. Just a single bite from an infected mosquito can be really deadly. Societies over the years have been trying to develop vaccines to eliminate malaria. But here's the catch. The current and only available licensed vaccine for the disease has only about 30% efficacy, and even less in some children. So our main problem here is how do we develop effective vaccines for malaria? To answer that, we need to understand how our body immune system works. And this is what my PhD thesis is about. We are interested in understanding the responses of our body immune system during malaria infection, and to explore possible ways we can do to improve this response. Antibodies, which are protein molecules found in the body, are essential in recognizing and attacking foreign molecules. But it turns out that during malaria, antibodies produced by our immune system are not always effective. And we also know that children get sick more often to malaria than adults do. So my PhD work is aimed to identify specific immune cells that produce the right kind of antibodies against the parasite, and to compare the response between children and adults. To do this, I collect blood samples from malaria-sick individuals in the West Papua region of Indonesia. In the blood samples, I've done comprehensive analysis by using dozens of cell markers, which allow me to characterize specific immune cells that produce antibodies. Excitingly, from my results, I have identified immune cells that have better responses to malaria. And that is meaning specific immune cells that produce protective antibodies. And we also found that children and adults have very different immune responses. And unfortunately, children have reduced level of these protective immune cells and antibodies, which is probably why they get sick more often to malaria than adults do. These results have significant importance because now we can improve vaccines to selectively produce those protective immune cells and antibodies that I have identified, thereby preventing the disease, especially in children. In fact, this is the first time it is ever reported in one of the parasite species causing malaria. In conclusion, I hope that my results from the PhD will speed up the development of vaccine and in the future, changing the way this map looks, shrinking the malaria map. Thank you.